Have another question regarding Westlake Vinyls, regarding the litigation going on there. And since we are on the topic of personal injury, Emily, we're going to pose this one to you. And someone wants to know, can the chemicals from Westlake cause a heart attack?
You know, I don't think we know what all the chemicals can cause. We have studies that back up lung, liver, and stomach, so that's why we're taking those cases right now. We get calls every day, all day, about all kinds of stories that people believe is related to health problems that are related to the vinyl chloride. And I don't have any reason to believe that it's not, but at this time we're just taking liver, lung, and stomach. We will take your call and we will take your information down, and if something comes up later that relates it to that, then we'll call you back. We won't take that case at this time, but we'll take your information, and if we get more studies that later show that there's a link, we'll be happy to take it.
Next question comes from someone along the personal injury line. Says, I injured my neck playing football 10 years ago and was recently in a car wreck. I'm having severe neck pain as well as headaches. Can I still file a claim for the neck injury from the wreck?
And the short answer is yes. We can do a lot more talking about it, but the law is that whoever a plaintiff is in the case, the defendant has to take them in the condition that they're in at the time of the accident. And so if you were hurt 10 years ago, then we would still be glad to take your case, and we'd ask for damages for how it has caused you more problems as a result of the accident you were in. So yes, you can do that.
Got about a minute or so left in today's second segment, and someone says, my son was in a rollover car accident and was thrown from the vehicle, receiving serious injuries. Would we still have an injury case since he was not actually wearing a seatbelt?
Yes, you would still possibly have one. In Kentucky, if the other side is at fault at all, even if you're at fault for part of your injuries, then the other person would have damages. So if you weren't wearing your seatbelt, of course you should wear your seatbelt, but give us a call, because if that party was at fault, then you may still have a case. So make sure you call us and talk the case over with us, and let's see.
Emily Roark and the gentleman to my left here, Mark Bryant.
Mark Bryant.
I've only introduced him now for the last 5 years. Anyway, they've been our guest on this.
About the last 50 years.
At least. They've been our guest on Local 6 Middays Legal Line, talking about the pending litigation with Westlake Vinyls, as well as other personal injury things. If you'd like to review either one of these segments, you're welcome to do so. We'll mix it down and we'll post it online. Click the Legal Line icon and then look for Bryant Law Center online at WPSD Local6.com.